Hi everyone, Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce coffee reviews. And I'm joined here by my husband Rick. Hello, honey.
How's it going, Speedy?
I've had plenty of caffeine today.
Yeah, okay, well, this should be an interesting segment. So, I've been eagerly awaiting the treat for today.
Yes.
Yeah, I have been. I've been busy editing all day, but I've been smelling it cooking, and
Yes.
it looks very good. So what do we got going on?
Did you take a picture of the cake?
Yeah, it's already done.
Okay, good.
It's right
Just
there.
checking.
What do you mean? It's right behind
There's
me.
other things you've forgotten to do, but that's okay. I just wanted to check.
I forget what I haven't done, so...
All right, so today we are going to sample one coffee 3 different ways. A latte version, pour over, and iced. And I have a lovely treat, Barefoot Contessa's sour cream coffee cake.
It smells great.
It smells great.
She's been a well-known... I don't know if she's an actual chef or what she is, but she's been well-known on TV for many years. And I can remember my mom used to like watching her stuff. She makes some good stuff.
I've watched her on the Food Network.
Mm-hmm. Yep, talented lady.
Very.
All right.
Shall we start tasting the
coffees?
Coffees, yes.
All right. You got quite the foam going on there.
I know.
There's a lot of flavor in that one. It's different. It's dark or roasty flavor. A little burnt hues to it. A little stronger than I would probably like.
It is a dark roast. Well, one on the bag it says dark roast. On the website it says medium dark roast. It is 100% organic. Arabica beans.
I think it tastes a little too dark roast for me.
Yeah. I find that there's not a whole lot of dimension to this coffee. It's pretty, I don't know, like typical mass-produced.
Anyways, it's okay. It doesn't rank up there real high for me. This is just a good old pour over now, eh? Mm-hmm. Same coffee or different one?
Same coffee.
Surprisingly, it tastes different. No.
It's very
for a second there,
roasted.
It was, yeah.
And it's very bitter.
Bitter.
Very bitter.
Yeah. Nope.
Okay. So I have oat milk here for the...
Clankety clank, 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 clank.
I like it. It's music to my ears.
Not mine when I'm editing.
I'll remember to do it some more.
So this is just... I'm just doing this.
Now, usually I really like the oat milk for... I do like an Americano.
It's not bad as...
Really?
Yeah, it's okay. It's all right.
I feel like it
just
doesn't work with the oat milk, whereas most of those other coffees I've used have worked very well.
Very well. Yeah.
With the oat milk.
But I would still probably drink that if you made that
Just
for me.
say
And
here.
here you go. I would drink it. I'm not so crazy. Like the flavors were different in these two. Like it really brought out the bitterness. I don't quite notice it as bitter in there.
Yeah.
But maybe I'm just getting used to it as well.
Yeah, it's just a plain, unsweetened oat milk. Okay, I'm gonna let you do the honors.
I don't even know what's in here. What am I... Oh, is this... Signature Cafe Hella Bonner. Okay. Stay in the moment with a pitar, a second cup of coffee. Coffee beans, dark roast, organic. Arabica coffee beans.
I was just waiting for you to finally see.
Hunde Ingemar from Ikea. Så hej buddy.
Ikea, Swedish for common sense.
Hej, jag heter Ingemar från Ikea. Så här jobbar vi.
Very well said, honey.
Hey, listen, that's kind of funny because being Norwegian and and but hey, listen, you know what? I'm going to insult millions of Swedes around the world. We're going to bring up that old rivalry between Norway and Sweden. My dad, God bless his soul, would be looking down right now going, that explains it. Why did the Norwegian not like the coffee? Because it's made in Sweden.
Okay, now I left the receipt in there for you to take a look at the price. Guess, don't look yet. How much do you think a bag?
I don't know. Ikea has some pretty crazy pricing on stuff for cheapness, so I'm gonna say probably this is this a pound, I guess, right? So not even, it's a half a pound. Half a pound.
Yeah.
About that half a pound. I'm gonna say like $8.
Their regular price is $6.99. So you're off $1.
On sale for $5.59.
Yes.
Well, you heard it here, folks. You can go and spend $6 at Starbucks for 1 cup of coffee, and that can be kind of. Or you can spend $6 on IKEA coffee and make a whole bunch of coffee that's kind of.
Yeah, I remember we tried the President's Choice. I think it was a medium roast.
Yep.
And I would probably go for that one if I were going price-wise versus this one.
But you know what? On you got to give them marks though, because it says here acidity. The bar, it looks like it goes up to 5, and they say that it's a 4.
Yeah.
Body is a 4, and the roasting is a 4, and I'm going to guesstimate that as being out of a 5 looking at the bar. But I mean, if you like that kind of a coffee, if you like a darker roast that's kind of bitter, hey, all the more power to you.
It packs a punch in that direction.
And you can have that, and I'll pass you some lingonberries and meatballs. You can fill your boots.
There you go.
All right, so let's get to the good stuff.
Yes.
So
go ahead, hun.
No, you cut it. You made it. It's your piece of art. I did see you slaving away for a few moments at this, where you were putting it in the bundt pan and
layering it up. So this is a sour cream coffee cake.
And you know what? I've had sour cream and stuff before, and folks, don't let that put you off, because I'm going to tell you, most of the time, that I've ever had stuff with sour cream in it, you can't even tell there's sour cream in it. Do you know what I mean? Like it's not like you're getting that sour cream flavor. Wow, great job, man.
Thank you.
That looks really nice. There we go. What's this stuff?
That
Dare I ask?
Okay, so you got the coffee cake with the topping on there.
Yep.
This is actually a coffee maple syrup glaze.
Maple.
I didn't drizzle it on there because
no, it's kind of nice not to. I like it. I like to be able to put it on because it makes the cake soggy if you put it on early.
Right.
So this is maple. Okay.
Yeah, and I did grind up super fine coffee. I put a tablespoon in there, and I think a tablespoon might have been too much. So I added
way you're
more.
binging off the walls.
So I added more maple syrup and extra icing sugar. Because that's the recipe asks for
we'll balance
icing
out
sugar.
the caffeine with sweetness. Sugar.
It does.
All right, let's see how this is. Oh yeah.
Yeah? On a scale of 1 to 10. Or 1 to 5.
How about an 11? No, it's really good. It's very, very tasty. Wow. I'll put, you said there's a web link to the recipe, right?
Yeah. So
I'll put that below.
sounds good.
Yeah, then you guys can make this up, and then Paula, it's just, as you said, it's just icing sugar. What do you use for liquid on the icing?
Maple syrup.
Maple syrup, that's it. Okay, so icing sugar, maple syrup, and ground coffee. Works for me.
Ina, you did an awesome job on creating this recipe.
Very good. Yeah.
This is dinner. It is so like,
It's so light. It's very
it's
light.
light but nice and
It's got a very good consistency for a cake. It's very spongy, like very light. Awesome. Well, this was a great segment. We got to go to war with Sweden and Ikea. The Viking ships are now off to sea. I've got Fenrir around my neck. Let's go.
I'll sit that one out.
And listen, folks, I hope you enjoyed this. Last week we had a technical error. We actually filmed a segment last week.
Yeah.
And for the life of me, I don't know what happened. The camera had the little red record button. I went upstairs to start editing and there was nothing there. Just like, okay, we're taking the week off. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tell your friends and family all about these segments. We hope that you will. And don't forget to visit our store.
Groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca and groundsfordivorcecoffee.store if you're in the US or international.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, folks, and we'll see you on the next one.
Ciao, ciao.